Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Max. Without talking much, let's just get to it. Okay, so let's see what comes in the box. Okay, so what we'll have here is the clean water container, the dirty water container, then we'll have the filter bag here. We have the main unit over here with some very cool wheels. Oh, and it's kind of heavy. Alright. Comes with one brush, two pads, and the charging cable and a different brush over here. So I think this is the one that is anti-hair, which cuts the hair as it vacuums. So there is already one over here, which I think is just a normal one. Yeah. So I will probably just put this in and close this up. Okay, this will be better. Okay, so do you like this? Oh yeah, there's a lot of instruction to read. Comes with another big piece of instruction as well that I will need to read before I can do another video on how to set this up. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe, because the next video we'll be setting this up. Alright, and obviously it won't be on the table. Till next time, I'll see you again.